Yo, Tech Warriors! Welcome back. Today, we're peeking behind the curtain of phishing, using a tool called Seeker to learn how attackers think, so you can protect yourself like a pro. This is 100% ethical, 100% educational, and I'll walk you step by step, even if you're brand new. Smash like, subscribe, and let's go. Real quick, this tutorial is for education only. Never use these techniques on real victims or systems you do not own or have explicit permission to test. Follow the law and respect privacy. What is Seeker? Seeker is an open-source tool that simulates phishing pages. It helps security learners understand how attackers build fake pages and what data can be leaked. We'll set it up locally and expose it through Cloudflared for testing only on your machines or test accounts. Open your terminal and type this exactly. Git clone https github.com the white h4t Seeker. If you see seeker.py, you're good to go. Run Seeker with Python 3. If you get a permission error, install Python 3 and dependencies first. Python 3 seeker.py. We'll pick one for Google Drive. It's a common demo template. Type 1 and press Enter. Here's where you need a Google Drive link. Open your browser, go to Google Drive, and find a folder or file you want to use for this test. Right-click it, select Share, and copy the link. Make sure the link is set to anyone with the link for this demo, but only do this with a test folder, not your personal files. Paste the link into the terminal and hit Enter. Seeker will start a local server, default port 8080. This means the fake Google Drive page is now running locally on your computer. But to test it over the internet, we need a public URL. That's where Cloudflared comes in. To make our local server accessible online, we'll use Cloudflared, a tool that creates secure tunnels. If you don't have Cloudflared installed, let's set it up. Open a new terminal tab, don't close the Seeker terminal, and type sudo apt install Cloudflared. This works on Debian-based systems like Ubuntu. If you're on a different system, open your browser, search for Cloudflared download, and visit the official Cloudflare website to grab the right version for your OS. Follow their instructions to install it. Once installed in the new terminal, type Cloudflared tunnel, URL localhost 8080. This command connects your local server, running on port 8080, to a public URL. After about 10 to 15 seconds, Cloudflared will give you a URL that looks something like https://randomstring.trycloudflare.com. Copy this URL. It's what we'll use to test the page. Now let's test the setup. Open a browser, preferably in incognito mode for safety, and paste the Cloudflared URL. You'll see a page that looks like a Google Drive login or access request. For example, it might show a request access button. Click it, and it may ask for location permissions. For this demo, allow it, but only do this in a controlled, educational environment. Once you allow, the page might redirect to the actual Google Drive folder you linked. Back in the Seeker terminal, you may see captured metadata, browser headers, IP, and sometimes a Google Maps link for approximate location. This helps you learn what attackers can gather. Remember, treat captured info ethically. Delete test data when done. And that's it. You've just set up and tested Seeker in a safe, controlled environment. This is how cybersecurity pros learn to spot and defend against phishing attacks. Important: never use tools like Seeker to harm others or collect data without consent. Always follow legal and ethical guidelines and only test on systems you own or have permission to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.